Food waste has become a worldwide systemic crisis. To fight this problem, more and more service platforms are introduced in the market. Too Good To Go and Olio are two of these platforms, tackling food waste with different approaches. Too Good To Go sells leftover meals from restaurants for a discounted price, making a revenue by taking a cut of every meal. Olio also offers leftovers, however, they offer most of them completely for free. To investigate the system behind these services, we use the system map. A system map represents all involved stakeholders and the different interactions of product, information, finance, and labor between them. It also maps the different levels of customer participation. In our case, the providers or partners are shown in blue and white circle and the users in gray circle. The different lines between them represent the type of interaction between them. We have four different flows. The striped line is the information flow. So, for example, the restaurant posting leftover dishes on the Too Good To Go platform. The solid line with the arrow shows a product flow. For example, the restaurant giving food to the customer. The dotted line is the financial flow. When the customer pays Too Good To Go or when Too Good To Go pays the portion to the restaurants. The last flow is labor. So when the customer physically picks up the food at the restaurant. A system map is a great way to compare two similar services with different approaches and search for system redesign or improvement. As you saw, Olio's system map is more complex and extensive due to many users and a different service approach. Another big difference that is evident in the system map is the financial flow. Too Good To Go makes a revenue on the cut of every meal sold. Olio offers free products so that they have no direct sales revenue. They depend on the earnings made by picking up food from larger businesses and from private investors. Too Good To Go does not offer such picking up services. The customers pick up their own food. Due to this difference in capital, Too Good To Go not only manages to scale up their platform quicker, but also other services like food waste consultancy to businesses, bringing new policies like politics of thinking of shelf life labels. This model has its pros and cons. The pros are the model gives us a clear visual representation of the global relation between stakeholders within a service. In the system map, internal and external processes can be reviewed and compared. A comparison between two different services is also possible, as you saw in our example. This way you can contrast how to improve, redesign your own processes based on the model. The cons of the model, however, are the model is really focused on the systemic construction of a service and not so much on the customer journey or the sustainability impact. The SWOT analysis or value map could be a next step to analyze the opportunities from this system map.